This is our flagship model. It is a V12 engine which produces about 835 PS, 1000 Nm torque. So this is our most luxurious product that we make and the most powerful also car that we make till date, and we're proud to bring it into India market to cater to the absolute bespoke and customized orientation customers. So yes, we're very very excited to bring the car in just 6 months with a global launch to India. So looking forward to have a great time.
What is the unique of this?
So as I said, certain uniqueness. One, it has a carbon fiber body, the V12 engine that it has, the design language that this car has, with these thermal louvers onto the bonnet, the kind of customizations that you can go ahead with the car, starting from the exterior right to the interior, all over. So these are certain things which make the car very very unique, as well as customized to each individual how he wants. These cars, honestly, you don't look at the mileage. It's more about performance. It is more about that luxury, more about that fit and finish, and also more about that individualization that a person looks into these cars. So this is the car has base X showroom of 8.85 CR, and then whatever are the customizations that are going to be loaded, that will decide the final colors. So there are a lot of colors which are available on the website, and we also derive a Q program within Aston Martin, wherein you can have a color of your particular choice. So there is no limitation to the colors.
Sir, what is the different about the another cars to this car?
So the kind of overall experience that the car gives. So this is a car which is not just focused on the performance. It has an equal importance given to the interior comfort, the luxury quotient. So it's not a one focus car. It's it catches all the parameters that a person would want to enjoy in a car. That is something very very unique about it.
Okay, thank you.